Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing, guys. This is a row house, or let's say townhouse. So located here in Barangay Poblacion, Liloan, Cebu, in Belia Lucela subdivision. So this is townhouse or row house. So mo ni guys kanang gitawag og ang atoang boundary is the wall is, it's like a condominium style ba. The boundary is our walls, no? So actually I live here in this subdivision, pero sige na malagi tagtabok-tabok sa Bohol. So Bohol, Cebu gyud ang ato ang location, guys. So the good thing here is it is along the bay. So along siya sa Silot Bay. So the property is along the Silot Bay or along the shoreline. Mura kag nakapanag-iya og beachfront, guys, no? May na nakanindot because it's really fresh air. The good thing is really fresh air. Then ang uban, the others also are having an extension at the back. So actually the size is just only 50 square meters. 50 ka metro kwadrado gini. Then what the other do, they are putting more. No, di man sad maklaro gud sa di ba makita na ba? It cannot be shown in the public. So that is why they are building more at the back portion. So actually, the property has newly renovated. So this is located in Barangay Poblacion since Liloan. Mas nindot yun, guys, kay ang Liloan man god is a progressive town or soon to become a city. So there is already a fitted cabinet, no? Complete na gyud ni siya, guys. Water, electricity are available. So 2.7 million. Ang nakanindot pa gyud diri, guys, kay na siya exhaust fan. So yang CR there is already an exhaust fan. So ana gyud. So all you have to do is to bring your things, no? If you have one car, so muna. So the neighbors, ang gibuhat man gud sa neighbors car, guys, kanang ilang accommodate gihimong rooms ang kuan kanang naay ang front wala na, so nag-road park sila. So before I do that, pero now since I transferred to Bohol, wala na. Okay, I feel man good magkagubot yun me. So much better you will preserve the car garage. So if you can have, actually this is really good, no? Very close from National Highway. Then the amenities on this subdivision, there is a chapel and one basketball court. Actually I was gihimo man ni siyang Porok, guys, ang Villa Lucela. It was known to be Porok Lucela when I was a president, no, of this homeowners association. So this place, no, the second floor, they develop, the owner, no, develop this. So you can have your coffee in this kuan, din hangin-hangin mare, guys. So it's the winds, no, the winds will kuan. Then there is a mangroves in front, so it cannot be, it is protected, no? Dili gyud mo so dayon ang hangin diha. So protektado ra gihapon, no, sa mangroves. So gamay ra pod ang mangroves. Then the good thing, no, kay it's really along the bay, Silot Bay. Then if you are thinking, no, nga basin yag mo tsunami for example, no, it cannot be happen, guys. Kay dako man ni nga Silot Bay ni din naman ni kining Silot Bay. It is included in the resort and the Papa Kids, Papa Kids, manay giingon nga nang Papa Kids man god mo ni murag resort na siya, tanan daghan mga creation diha, no, mga pang tourist. So nindot ni siya, guys. It's really a good place for investment, or if you are already in Cebu, then they will accept the guys, the Pag-ibig financing. So more or less we have already computed it at 1 million pesos equity. So magpaabot na lang ta sa approval sa Pag-ibig. So kung nakakay mga 1 million, guys, possible na ka makapaabot ka once na ni guarantee, i-down na nimo sa seller. So wa na, pwede na ka mo move in. So mo na sistema, meaning mo dawat kagihapon siya og kanang Pag-ibig financing. Sa bank financing, pwede ra gud gihapon, at least as long as there is a equity. Kay lahi man og appraisal value good guys, di magyud na kuan. So this is my contact number, my name, no? You can add me. So the good thing here guys, bisan tuod og kanang nay nag road park, gamay rata diri nga homeowners, gamay rata ang nagpuyo diri. Then you can improve more because the others, no, the other there's no restriction anymore, no, because the other homeowners are building make it into 3-story. Gihimo ng 3-story ang uban guys. Ang uban daghan kay sila gihimo, no. This is our chapel, this is ana man itong open space, no. So like this one, no, gihimo niyang 3-story pero wa siya parkingan, pero man nag-road park siya, pero nindot sa nakayo, no, as long as you can have still a space, no. The other one, no, nagatubang rin silang duha dapit, no, mana sila, no. Ilag yung ilang kuan gisagad sa Tagalog pa, sagad na sagad talaga yung space. So man ay tabo guys, no, instead of 2-story row house, kuan na kanang kuan magud guys, the developer will not kuan intervene once it is already turned over. So lindot kayo gyud guys, no. Like this one, actually the road is wide man, okay man gyud, makaagi man, pero malay because of the road park. So mana, pero at least makakuan ra gihapon ta, makaagi ra gihapon ta guys. Ang nakaganahan lang gyud nako diri sa Villa Lucila good guys, what I like is very close from National Highway. If you can have no car, you can just go to the kuan, no, go to the highway. Then there's so many, no, you can have your taxi, or even if came from Bohol guys, maka-taxi ra ko diri, no. So this is my kuan, kanang butangan, nagkaguliyang na. Pero at least kay kami na lang duha sa akong anak, sige na ako ra may sig tabok-tabok. So mao ni siya guys, mao ni naka-advantage gyud sa property diri kay kuan. Although dili gyud dako kayo ang not really big, no, wide the road from highway to the subdivision, but we can still manage, no, like this one, ni atras siya. So magsinabtanay ra gud kay actually the road is really not big, makagira, but we need to have patience man sad. Pero not all the time nga busy gyud, no, pero naara gyud mag-inatrasay, magsinabtanay ra man sad. Although there are some portions that we can have kanang gitawag nilang ipli ba, kanang mo kuan tas gamay kilid na makasod lagi hapon gyud, magkasabot ra ba gyud. No history of quarreling in this road, no. Magsinabtanay lang ta kay the road is for all man. So I think the property that I am selling has a good price. Reason for selling, they are already in Manila, no. They have no kanang tawag og plano pa nga mapuyo pa sila diri. So they are going to sell this property. So money guys, diri lang utaman. So as you can see, this is going to the highway. I think from here to the highway, as you can see, there are already cars, no, passing by. Then here is just only around mga 50 meters na lang, no, or 40 meters from here, no. It's already the kuan. Mubura na kayo nga kuan guys. It's really kuan, very short road going to the subdivision. And if we walk also at the back, no, at the back of the subdivision, you can still have, no, you can still walk, then even swim. You can swim to the kuan, to the sea, no. Pwede ka maligos dagat. There are people also, the neighborhood are getting seafoods, kaya na may mga kinhason diha guys, in Visayan term seafoods na diha there are si tawag aning manginhas kanang, or so naay manginhas diha guys, or kanang gitawag manguha og seafoods, or others also are having fun. They will really go to swim in this location. It's clean. Depends upon our ano imagine or kanang sa atong gusto no usahay magud malainan ba kay daghan sa bibisyon o na. Awa may tubig sigurong limpyo. As long as it's really clean, no? Then if you can have your own also boat, no? You can park. You can still park on that area. Okay, if you have a house there, you can still park like this one, no? There is a boat. You can park your boat, no? Still open, no? See? So very nice yun guys, no? You own like a beachfront, beach property. So see, that is the property. So we are having a drone video, no? Atong sa hangin-hangin. We try, no? We try. So see, kitang kalibutan guys. So mao na sitwasyon, no? The good thing is protected by the mangroves. Di gyud ma-abrupt bitaw ang hangin. Paingon. So kini na murag motor sa atubangan, no? Black Inmax pa na siya. Mao na siya. Nya nay usa ka buok water bill kanang tambis. So mao na siya. It's really very nice, no? Asa man ka mangita ana kay ug adto sa kasauban, for example na mga pre-selling ron. Mga ingon ani na sa mga 1.8 gamay na lay diferensya guys. So much better this one, no? So mao man gina siya. If you will have kanang i-renovate pa nimo or imo pa ning patasan, you can make it a 3-story house, no? Pwede pa gyud. Ang rent diri kasagaran guys, I notice no naa sa tag 10,000 to 15,000 pesos per month. So pwede ra sa din nimo paabangan while you are not here, no? So this is the surroundings, no? You can see, no? Nagtapok gyud mi diri. So but the good thing is we are only very few. So nindot gyud kayo guys, no? Mahal ba yang mga bang, no? Mahal gyud. So renting somewhere outside here, it's really much better that you can buy a house or like this one, no? Or if you can have a pag-ibig financing, much better, no? It's really nice. So nindot yun guys. So Liloan just only few minutes drive from SM City, no? Mga 3.6 kilometer SM City Consolacion. From airport, it's around 14 kilometers. So 14 ra ka kilometro dool ra gyud. Then more or less nara gyud sa mga 20 to let's say 20 to 30 minutes depending upon the traffic, no? So mo na siya guys. Mo na naka-advantage ani nga location kay di magyud lalim ning Cebu kung mukuan pa dire. Tawag ana mo venture ta dire. Labi nag mga wala patay kuan kanang pundar gyud. So if you can have the money, no, then you are you are capable for pag-ibig financing, much better guys. Nindot ni. Then if you can have a cash, okay ra sad kayo kay imagine 2.7 million, reasonable price man sad. Honestly lang okay ra. Kay kini ganing amo kung wala pa lang gyud ni akong anak dire, possible basin og ako sa nagi for sale, pero since naaman siya dire nya wa po koy ulian sa Cebu. Mga mahal na kayo ang mga surroundings guys. Really expensive the surroundings. So this is good, no? This is really good. So we have another drone video na po, no, atong gikuan ato lang gikaduha nga atong drone kay aron ba nga makita gyud nimo mo gihapon, no, tas unahan to ang property katong may red car, no, red color car. So this one, no, gawas og katong kuan mga 3-story. So diri guys ang mga mga dato-dato diri mga 3-story na ag mga kuan. Kami bitaw kuan lang kanang Nindot bang yun, true story para nako. Nindot yun. So as you can see, no, there is already the road going to the highway. Kita man nato diri guys. Oh, kita malantaw ra nato ang highway. Duol ra gyud. Oh. See, oh, open, no import. Nay, murag gitawag og informal seatless to speakers layo ra man. In this location wala. Okay ra gyud kayo siya. Maayo gyud kayo ang location. Bisag gabi, night time or even kadlawon or early in the morning mga 3 p.m. at 3 a.m. Wa gyud tay problema dire guys. I've been here for around since 2011. So since atong pangita ingon ani naman Bohol ug Cebu, so ani na gyud eh. So mao na ang surrounding guys, no. Actually in kuan dili na gyud po sila mo lower sa ilang price, so mao na gyud na. Actually mahal-mahal naman gyud po ang mga properties dun. So nindot kaayo guys, no. Kung naalantay amount na no, maka kuan kaysa mag-agad pa ka ng mga pre-selling. So kini nya flooding, so ay problema gyud guys, wala gyud flooding dire. Nagbaha-baha lang tong uban, pero kini no flooding, no history of flooding. Okay, for inquiries just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.